Greetings from VN Travels. Welcome to Spice Island, the cultural heart of Sri Lanka, where diverse spices have been gathered for centuries by explorers, merchants, and empires. Let's explore the island's rich history, production method, uses, and invaluable spices. The golden spice of Sri Lanka, known as true cinnamon or Ceylon cinnamon, originates right here in Sri Lanka. For thousands of years, it has been prized for its delicate sweetness and warm aroma. Ancient Egyptians used it in embalming, while Arab traders guarded its secret origins. Today, cinnamon is harvested by peeling the delicate inner bark of the cinnamon tree, which is then rolled into the famous quills. It is used in sweets, curries, teas, perfumes, and even medicine for its antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. Sri Lanka still produces over 80% of the world's true cinnamon making it a global treasure. The flower buds of spice cloves are the dried flower buds of the clove tree, introduced to Sri Lanka centuries ago by colonial traders. Harvesting cloves as an art buds are handpicked when pink, then dried until they turn deep brown. Cloves add strong, warm flavor to curries, rice, and tea. Beyond cooking, they are valued in Ayurveda for dental health, digestion, and as a natural pain reliever. Ginger, the root of healing ginger. Its spicy, pungent root is used fresh, dried, or powdered. Essential in curries, teas, and sweets, has been cultivated in Sri Lanka for thousands of years. Ginger also holds immense medicinal value. It boosts immunity, fights nausea, and improves circulation, making it one of the most loved and trusted spices in the world. Pepper, the king of spices. Pepper, or black gold, was once the most traded spice in the world. Sri Lanka produces some of the finest pepper, grown in fertile soils under tropical sun. Harvested green and dried under the sun, peppercorns bring fiery heat and sharp flavor. Beyond cooking, pepper stimulates digestion and boosts metabolism. Historically, it was so valuable that it was used as currency. Cardamom, the queen of spices. Cardamom, often called the queen of spices, grows in the cool central highlands of Sri Lanka. Harvested by hand, the green pods are dried to preserve their aroma. Its sweet floral fragrance enhances curries, biryanis, teas, and desserts. In Ayurveda, cardamom is prized for cleansing the body and improving mood. For centuries, it has symbolized luxury and hospitality. Sri Lanka's spices are more than just flavors, they are history, culture, and healing.